In this video, I want to discuss how to sell your home that needs work. So before we start this video, I want to give a big shout out to our sponsor, Dan Avanzato from North Star Mortgage. His information is on the screen, but if you're looking for a pre-approval, pre-qualification, or even a refinance, depending upon where your rate currently is, his information is on the screen. Selling your home can be very difficult. It is a very arduous process that takes a skilled professional realtor. So selling a home that needs work is going to take a skill set. Now, I want you to know that over my career of 16 years, I have sold hundreds and hundreds of homes that need work. And here is what I say about selling a property that needs work. Number one, and the first thing that I always recommend that my sellers do is get a pre-sale home inspection. Now, you're probably wondering that, isn't that the buyer's responsibility? Yes, it is. However, when you are selling your property, you always want to maintain control of negotiations. So, getting a pre-sale home inspection and finding out what is wrong with your property before anybody else does is going to be paramount. Talking point number two is if your home really needs work, there are several options that you have. Number one is allow us to sell it in as-is condition. And the other one is selling to either a bargain hunter or an investor. Now, I will tell you, selling your home to an investor or a bargain hunter, you're not going to make as much money. But if you sell your property as is to the open market, you are going to make more money. However, as I mentioned before, it is going to take a seasoned professional to sell your property in as-is condition. Talking point number three, and my final point, is that you really have to be realistic with your number. You cannot overinflate your price if your home needs work. Now, I'm going to tell you, your home will sell. However, the preparation is going to be key. And I always recommend, if there's too much work to be done, before you decide to sell, you must have us over to walk through the property so we can give you tips on what to do and, more importantly, what not to do to get it sold in as-is condition. So there you have it. You have my 3 talking points on how to sell a home that needs work. If you have any questions whatsoever, please don't hesitate to reach out to my office, shoot me an email, or leave a comment below. There is absolutely no cost or obligation. We hope you enjoyed this video, and we look forward to seeing you on the next one.